In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade options on Thinkorswim. Before you place any options trade, the first thing you need to do is get approved for options trading in your brokerage account. Start by logging into your Schwab account, then apply for options trading permissions. You'll need to complete the required disclosures and agreements, and after that, wait for approval. Your approval level matters because it determines which strategies you're allowed to trade, such as covered calls, cash secured puts, or spreads. Once you're approved, open Thinkorswim and log in. If you're new to options, the desktop version is usually the best place to start because it gives you the most complete set of tools and a clearer view of the option chain. Next, go to the Trade tab and select All Products. In the symbol box, enter a stock or ETF you want to analyze, such as AAPL, NVDA, SPY, or TSLA. As soon as you load the symbol, the option chain will appear below the stock quote. Now let's quickly break down what you're looking at. On the left side, you'll see calls, which are typically used when you expect the stock to move higher. On the right side, you'll see puts, which are commonly used when you expect the stock to fall or when you're using certain hedging strategies. Each row in the chain includes important information like the strike price, bid, ask, volume, open interest, and sometimes Greeks if you've enabled those columns. After that, choose an expiration date from the drop-down menu. Very short-term options, like those expiring in 0 to 7 days, can move fast but also carry high risk because time decay is aggressive. Many newer traders prefer the 30 to 60 day range, while longer dated options, such as 90 days or more, give the trade more time to work and usually decay more slowly. Then select a strike price. For example, if AAPL is trading at $220, a bullish trader might look at buying the 220 call, which is at the money, or the 225 call, which is slightly out of the money. For a bearish idea, that trader might look at the 220 put or the 215 put. Your strike choice affects the options cost.